Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the depths of the world's oceans to uncover fascinating facts. Let's get started. These immense bodies are majestic and fascinating. Covering over 70% of our planet, oceans are dynamic and teeming with life. Each ocean has its own personality, currents and inhabitants. From the Pacific to the Arctic, we will explore their power, beauty and importance. Join me as we navigate these waters, seeking a deeper connection with the natural world. Understanding these oceans helps us understand our place on this blue planet. Prepare to be astonished by the scale, diversity and majesty of Earth's great oceans. Did you know the Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the world's oceans, plunging nearly 36,000 feet? It is located in the western Pacific Ocean, east of the Philippines. Oceans are home to the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale, and countless other fascinating creatures. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, is so vast, it can be seen from space. It is located off the coast of Queensland, Australia. Unique features like hydrothermal vents support life forms that thrive in extreme conditions, showcasing the ocean's incredible adaptability. These vents are often found along mid-ocean ridges, such as the East Pacific Rise. Our journey commences in the Pacific, an ocean so vast it defies easy comprehension. Covering more than 63 million square miles, it is larger than all the Earth's land masses combined. Imagine standing on its shores, gazing at an unbroken horizon stretching for thousands of miles. This is the Pacific, a realm of immense scale and profound mystery. Its currents transport warmth and nutrients, influencing weather and supporting life. Home to the deepest point on Earth, the Mariana Trench, plunging nearly 7 miles below the surface. The Pacific is also the most mysterious, with vast unexplored regions teeming with unknown life forms. Geographically, it stretches from the Arctic in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, and from Asia and Australia in the west to the Americas in the east. With an average depth of about 12,080 feet, the Pacific Ocean holds more than half of the Earth's open water. We now turn our attention to the Atlantic, the second largest of our planet's great oceans. Though smaller than the Pacific, it is no less significant, a vast and restless expanse that has shaped human history and continues to influence global climate. For centuries, its currents have served as highways for exploration, trade and migration, connecting continents and cultures. The Atlantic is an ocean of constant movement, its surface often whipped into a frenzy by powerful winds. The Gulf Stream, one of the most well-known currents, plays a crucial role in regulating the climate of the eastern United States and Western Europe. The Atlantic is also notorious for its powerful storms, including hurricanes that can cause widespread devastation. These storms form over warm ocean waters and can impact weather patterns far beyond the Atlantic basin. One of the Atlantic's most intriguing features is the Sargasso Sea, a unique region often described as a golden floating rainforest of the ocean. Unlike other seas, it is not defined by land boundaries, but by a swirling gyre of powerful ocean currents. Within this gyre, vast mats of sargassum seaweed drift, providing a crucial habitat and nursery for a remarkable array of marine life. The Atlantic Ocean reaches depths of up to 27,480 feet in the Puerto Rico Trench, and spans from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, bordered by the Americas to the west and Europe and Africa to the east. Our voyage now takes us to the Indian Ocean, the third largest of the world's oceanic divisions, and notably the warmest. Nestled primarily in the southern hemisphere, bordered by Asia to the north, Africa to the west, Australia to the east, and the Southern Ocean to the south, it is an ocean of incredible warmth and vibrant life. Its predictable monsoon winds have facilitated trade and cultural exchange between diverse civilizations, making it a cradle of maritime history. The Indian Ocean is perhaps most famous for its dramatic monsoon weather patterns. These seasonal winds, which reverse direction, bring life-giving rains to vast swathes of South and Southeast Asia, dictating the rhythm of agriculture and life for billions of people. Beneath its warm surface, the Indian Ocean boasts the world's largest concentration of phytoplankton, particularly in the Arabian Sea. The monsoon seasons are crucial for agriculture, replenishing water sources and ensuring the growth of essential crops like rice and wheat. Marine blooms, driven by nutrient-rich upwellings, support a diverse array of marine life, from tiny plankton to large fish and marine mammals. These blooms are vital for the ocean's food web, sustaining fisheries that millions of people depend on for their livelihoods. The ecological significance of the Indian Ocean extends to its coastal ecosystems, including mangroves and coral reefs, which protect shorelines and support biodiversity. The Indian Ocean reaches depths of up to 7,258 meters in the Java Trench, making it one of the deepest oceans in the world. Geographically, it spans from the eastern coast of Africa to the western shores of Australia, covering an area of about 70.56 million square kilometers. We now venture into the formidable Southern Ocean encircling Antarctica. This ocean is defined by waters south of 60 degrees south latitude. It is a realm of extreme cold, towering icebergs, and relentless winds. The Southern Ocean is crucial for Earth's climate and unique wildlife. The Antarctic Circumpolar Current is the largest and most powerful ocean current. It connects the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans, mixing their waters. This current is vital for global ocean circulation, transporting heat and nutrients. It isolates Antarctica's frigid waters, maintaining the continent's vast ice sheets. The Southern Ocean is home to unique marine life, including krill, which are vital to the food web. Species like the albatross and leopard seal have adapted to this harsh environment. However, the Southern Ocean faces challenges from climate change and pollution. Ongoing research and conservation efforts are crucial to protect this unique and vital ecosystem. The Southern Ocean reaches depths of over 7,000 meters in some areas, with its deepest point being the South Sandwich Trench. Geographically, it spans from the coast of Antarctica to the southern tips of South America, Africa, and Australia. Our final destination is the Arctic Ocean, the smallest, shallowest, and northernmost of the world's 5 great oceans. It is a unique and fragile realm, largely centered on the North Pole and surrounded by the land masses of Eurasia and North America. For much of the year, a significant portion of its surface is covered by a dynamic mosaic of sea ice, a defining characteristic that shapes its environment and the extraordinary life it supports. The sea ice of the Arctic Ocean is not a static, monolithic sheet, but a constantly shifting landscape. It expands and thickens during the long, dark winter and then melts and retreats during the brief summer. This seasonal pulse is fundamental to the Arctic ecosystem. Despite its harsh conditions, the Arctic Ocean and its surrounding ice are home to a remarkable array of wildlife, uniquely adapted to survive in this frozen world. The iconic polar bear, a powerful predator, relies almost entirely on the sea ice as a platform for hunting seals, its primary prey. However, the Arctic is facing unprecedented changes due to climate change. The ice is melting at an alarming rate, threatening the delicate balance of this ecosystem and the survival of its inhabitants. The Arctic Ocean has an average depth of about 1,038 meters, with its deepest point, the Litka Deep, reaching approximately 5,450 meters. Geographically, it is located mostly within the Arctic Circle, encompassing the North Pole and bordered by Greenland, Canada, Russia, Norway, and Alaska. Our journey through the world's oceans reveals their immense scale, diversity, and critical importance. From sun-drenched reefs to icy frontiers, we witness extraordinary beauty and complexity. Oceans are interconnected systems weaving a global tapestry. They regulate our climate and sustain life. Oceans produce over half of the world's oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these bodies of water. Thanks for watching. Comment below on what ocean is your favorite. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more fascinating and random facts. See you next time.